All right, so I'm going to show you how to do your cushions from the inside and also the exterior. So you were asking prior how to disconnect this. The easiest way, press in, okay, and then once you do that, you just pull it up, okay, because that's the clip that's holding it together. You're going to use the upholstery tool, okay, this is for couches and cushions, all right, and then you just turn the machine on and you're going to put the cushion inside that bag. So what I'll do is I'll show you how. So first you put the cushion inside. By the way, one thing you could do is first clean the exterior of it. All right, so clean the exterior. That'll get all the loose dead skin. You could also use that little power head that I gave you. All right, that'll pull up all the dander or the dead skin, whatever dust mites. Then what you do is you put the cushion in the bag. All right, and you have another one of these bags on. You have two of them. So you place it inside. Once you do that, all you're going to do is turn the machine on and put the upholstery tool inside. That's it. That's the ease of it. What you do is you're going to close the bag airtight completely and keep your eye on the pillow. You'll see, I mean, this is a big, big pillow, and look what it's doing to it. So it's taking out the staleness. It's a sponge in there already. So what you're doing is just sucking the air, the staleness air out. Okay? And then once you have it all the way collapsed, this part is very important. Do not shut the machine off. If you shut it off, that big pillow will start doing this, and it'll suck some water into the pillow. Not a lot, it'll suck some water. There's back pressure built in, that's all. So the only thing you're gonna do is leave it on there like that. You're gonna disconnect it from the front, and you're gonna put it on the reverse. So come on over on this side. So what you're gonna do is disconnect it, okay? Once you do that, connect it to the back. Now you're putting purified air right back into the pillow. By the way, you could also put a drop of the aroma in the water before you start. Now you're putting that aroma. This last part is important. What you're doing is you're pumping air into the pillow. So that's how you do all the, by the way, you can do your, you also do your bed comforters. What happens to bed comforters? Those big ones, if you wash them too much, after a while they keep getting small and small. So what I tell people is in between washings, put them in there, suck them down flat, but then you reverse it and you pump them the clean air right back into it. One thing that's cool with these is that you'll find that they'll get fluffier. And they do get smushy after a while. And then I'll put it back, come on over, you'll see that what happens is now it's puffier. Look, it's actually puffier than, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So that's how you do all your bed pillows. Look how much higher it is. You can actually see on the height. And you can do it to these, to comforters and everything. So that's how you do it.
All right.
So there it is.
Thank you, Angel.